Now we are in the Ningbo NPPC Machinery Co. Limited. It is a high-tech enterprise of which dedicated in producing and exporting pneumatic components for more than 10 years. Let's welcome their sales Mr. Xiao to introduce himself first.
Hi everyone, this is Kai from NPPC Pneumatics, and I'm one of the members in the NPPC sales team. And today I'm really honored to be here to introduce you our new arrivals, which are the stainless steel series solenoid valves and the air parts, including the air regulator, filter, and the lubricator.
Thank you. And as you mentioned the product, could you tell us something? Their characteristics and their technical advantages.
Thank you. As for this year's exhibition theme, is just like the logo has indicated, improving efficiency and the quality, which means improving. We will aim at improving our service and improving the product quality. All we know that the quality that does matter to our clients in both domestics and abroad, right? And as for efficiency, it means we have to reply our clients vividly and rapidly. And for quality, that means we have to have a serious product inspections. During this process, that our technicians will improve and also inspect the product's quality. So let's here take a closer look at our products, right? So let's start with the explosion-proof solenoid valves. First, let's take a look out at the different two types, which I included the aluminum type and the stainless steel, the full stainless steel type. The differences between these two valves are the valve body material. One is aluminum and the other one is stainless steel. For choosing the material, when it comes with the stainless steel type, we are implementing the 316L type, and for this type of valve, firstly, it has a high corrosion resistance, and secondly, it has a high hardness, wherever it may indicate that it won't be easily changeable. Thirdly, for this type of valve, when the working environments we are encountered with the acid and the acrylic, it can resist all of the liquids. And comparing with the aluminum type, the aluminum type is much cheaper than the stainless steel type. And for the model, we have all range of pore size, including the 1/4 and 3/8. The thread are including G thread and MPT thread. And these sort of valves are widely used in the mining factory and the oil, gas, and the petroleum factory, like the industry in semiconductor industry as well. And the voltage are including the AC 220 volts or DC 24 volts. Then let's take a closer look at those stainless steel air parts, which are used for purifying the liquid and the dust from the air. And all these three types of stainless steel air parts can be combined as a combinator, including the air filter, the air regulator, and the air lubricator. It has various pore size, ranges from 1/4 to 1 inches. And you can see from this regulator, the outer side of this regulator, the material chosen are WS 316L material, which can contain high hardness with high corrosion resistance. And when you take a closer look at the gauge, the liquid in this gauge is oil. That's why how it may prove to resist the air leakage. And you can see here for this lubricator, due to its maximum pressure, is lower than the regulator and the filter. Therefore, if you are ordering a combination of 3 parts, the maximum pressure may up to at most 8.5 bar. And all 3 parts, we have 2 types of mounting brackets, including the L type, which is the usual type for the buyers to install it easily on the valve's body or on the actuator's body. In spite of those valves and air parts, we also promoting our solenoid valves and the air pilot valves. All those parts material are chosen both in aluminum and stainless steel. Like this type of normal mounting plated valve, the valve body's material is stainless steel. Comparing with the conventional type of normal valve, it can easily reduce the dust and the liquids that may lead to the valve body rusted or rot. So here you can see the mounting brackets that is used for all those 3 types of different stainless steel air parts. This one is the L type. You can see the outer external face is just like an L, right? And also we have another type is U type. For U type and L type mounting brackets, the main differences between 2 different types of mounting brackets is the installation direction. One is vertical direction installation, and the other one is parallel type. And for the gauge you can see the outer side. The external is being electrical polishing. That's why it looks beautiful in the appearance. And for whole part of the gauge is shockproofed. And that's why when we are selling these stainless steel air parts, we do not sell it separately because the cost of each part can be quite high. And maybe that's all for our new arrivals. And also for all these new arrivals, we do have the related certificates. As you can see from our outer walls, there is an explosion-proof certificate, which including the seals, the CE tags, and the explosion level can up to CT6.
Thank you, Kai. It's really a particular product introduction about our product. Now I got one more question for you.
Yeah.
As for these products, where are the main export countries of all regions of our company at present? And do our company has any plan to set up a new market overseas from overseas?
Thank you. Currently, we are selling these products to the Middle East and Europe market, which are including in Turkey and like in Poland, in the West Europe, like Finland or Belgium. But for the moment, they are just getting the trial order for samples, because these products are widely used in petroleum industry and semiconductor industry, but in the Middle East area, there are not enough high technology to support that. And for future plans, we may planning to find a new market, like in North America, like United States, or like in Canada. These are what we lack of for clients.
It's a very big plan for opening up a new market. And there's the last question. And would you like to talk about the difference between our foreigner and the domestic customers' demands? I think it's a really big difference between these two. Could you give us an introduction about?
Yeah, it's quite big. For domestic clients, they are mainly requiring for the quality of the products, but all of the port size are just a deal in the contract. But for abroad clients, they are mainly because of the metric and the port size are quite different from domestic areas. That's why they have to customize it. And when we are negotiating with our clients about the customized requirements, for sales like us, we're not expertise in this area. So when we just transferring the data sheets, the dimension sheet from our clients to our technicians, there may come with a, may like a misunderstanding, especially for the metric and port size. And when it comes to this, we will just get back to the client's part, and they will contact with their technicians, and then with a final drawing to customize it. And that's all the part we are encountering with for the moment.
Thank you for your introduction and your support to our online guided tours activities. And I wish you have your satisfactory in this show in this year. Thank you.
Thank you.